Hello friends, I'm Ajay. I'm going to explain about surveying and in surveying what is a plain table surveying in that radiation method. Okay, this is digital assignment 3 and what is plain table surveying? Did you know what is plain table surveying? Plain table surveying is the fast method of surveying. In this type of surveying, plotting of plan and field observation can be done simultaneously. In case of plain table, surveying geometrically conditions of sites or manuscript in the map sheet using plain table and allocate after that topic of details are arranged on the map. It is surveying is most important course in the civil engineering. It is the important you should learn what is plain table in. Uh, if you learn this only, it will helps in future. This is this is a table which we use in plain table, which we used in civil engineering. This is a plain table and this is a stand. This is all equipments which need equipments used in the plain table surveying. In this work, in this work, there are 5 to 10 important there. In that general equipment used for conducting plain table survey or plain table allotted for sighting or for take a site of land allotted is important. Palm pop and palm fork and which the most important is compass to mark an angle it is needed. Split level, we should adjust the split level. It is like a water, like it will be unchained to find a length of a land or area. It is more important. Ranging rods is a rod which we used like to look to view another point or next point. Tripod is a stand where we keep a plain table on it. Drawing sheet and drawing tools. Sheets are important to mark or to draw the view of area, and tools also important. More clips or screws to hold the papers like sheet drawing tools. And plain table survey equipment is arranged in a 4 step as follows. There are it arranged as a 4 steps. In that, first, fixing of plain table, leveling of plain table, or centering of plain table, orientation of plain table. In the fixing of plain table, fixing the plain table to the tripod stand. Arrange the drawing sheet on the plain table using paper clips or thumb screws. And sheet should be in the one position from first to last. It should not shake. And next, second one is leveling of plain table. Plain table should be the leveled using the split level. Then only it will be come as a current value or a pakka value. For small works, ice estimation can be okay, but it is not up to the level. Centering of a plain table, and it is also most important. The table should be centered by using plumbing fork, by which we can arrange the plotted point exactly over the ground point. Orientation of plain table. Whenever we are using more than one instrumentation, orientation is essential. It can be done by using compass or back-sighted. In this case, the plane table is rotated such that plotted lines in the drawing sheets are parallel to corresponding lines on the ground. It should always parallel to corresponding lines on ground. Then only orientation of plane table it will take a correct value. These are the plain table survey equipment arranged in a 4 step as follows. And methods of plain table survey. There are almost four four general methods are available to perform plain table survey: radiation, intersection, transversing resection. In that, we are going to study a radiation method today. That is the first method and important method. For that, instrument required is tripod, plane table, plumbing fork, level. Level means first leveling. First we should read a level, and tripod, it is a stand. Plane table, it is a table where we used to mark paper, keep on paper and marking. Magnetic needle compass, alitate, measuring tape. Tape, we can use a chain or tape. Tape is okay, but chain is first important tool. If chain is not there, take a measuring tape and ranging rods for demonstration of purpose. Other accessories, we should take a drawing sheet 28, that also in 28 inch into 22 inch. It only will keep on correct plane table. Then scotch tape, chisel pointed pencil. Pencil also take as a chisel point and eraser, sharpener, scale, what you want, take it. Procedure. For procedure, select a suitable point P first. Take a point P, and that also where you suitable on the ground such that all the details are visible from it. It should visible from all the details. Center and level the plane table over P, and level the plane table over P or upon P. Mark the direction of north on sheet by using compass. This is first step. You should mark a north in a using compass in the sheet. Locate the instrument station P. First locate the instrument station P on the sheet by using plumbing fork. Such that P on the sheet is exactly over P on ground. Can you understand? Centering the alited on a point P, cited various details step by step, and draw a ray from each detail along the flexible edging of alited. And this is also important by centering the alited on P, cite various details step by step. Okay. And next, let the details be named as A, B, C, D, E, etc. Whatever you can keep as a variable, you can keep, but it should be visible and you should know that variable point. Now measure the distance of each point from P, like PA, PB, PC, PD, PE, and take all from center to all the point. You should take a measure it and plot them to scale on the sheet. Plot them to the scale on the sheet as PA, P small a, P small b, P small c, P small d, P small e respectively. At last, respectively, you join A, B, C, D and E to the given outline of the given outline. By that you will get, this is a main procedure of this. And last, significance and application. This is most important, significance and application. This is the easiest method in the plane tabling. It is used when all the details are visible and accessible from one instrument station. By the centering of instrument station, you should visible all the accessible details. The ground is level and smooth. The ground should always be level and smooth. Distance are so small that can be measured with a single tape. It should measure with a single tape or single chain. It should be very small area. Like this. You can see the image. This is a plane table which carries the tripods, and this is the 5 points A, B, C, D. In plane table there is a midpoint B, P. By P, connecting PA, PB, PC, PD and PE, and finding the area of that land. And this is while drawing in a sheet, it will come like this. See, it is a length and width. Width would be 0.5 and length is 28, and this is a radiation method which